Hi, my name is Renee Fogan. I am in Family 150 and I'm doing this for my career profile number 2. So what I chose to do, what career I chose to research was a high school counselor. And basically a high school counselor, they are working within the high school and they have to work longer hours than regular high school teachers because they have to coordinate with like other parents and students. So sometimes they meet before or after school. Um, a lot of counselors will work part-time as a counselor, but then also they would combine that counseling with teaching duties. So generally counselors have their own offices so that they could have that the opportunity to have those private conversations if need be to help students progress in their learning. Counselors also must be able to relate with all kinds of different people. So some of the skills that they said that would be really beneficial for counselors to have are patience, resourcefulness, and stability. Those are all really important qualities for this job. Typical stressors. Mostly what I found was just like the emotional stress that would come with trying to help somebody who maybe necessarily doesn't want to change or is just having a really bad attitude. I mean, typical teenagers, you'll be working with a lot of adolescents. And a lot of times, one of the hardest things is to create a safe environment for those adolescents to where they will open up to you, and so that can create a lot of stress. Or just learning about their problems at home, and just not it's hard not to internalize those things, and to just continue to care for those students. Typical benefits that usually come with this job are you get paid holidays and vacations, sick leave, health insurance, and also retirement plans. Some of the common job tasks: school counselors, they interact with students either individually or in small groups to help them function in day-to-day life. So those students that may be struggling maybe with making friends, they could help them do activities that they would feel more comfortable interacting with their peers. So just trying to maintain like a safe learning environment so that these children can actually flourish as they attend school. They may also assist teachers in assessing students' abilities and interests. They ensure that children with different needs receive proper care and education. And so those children that do have special needs or disabilities, you kind of keep tabs on them and see how they're doing in school. Also, they help high school students transition from high school to the collegiate level, or if need be, into the workforce. And they can also assist students in application materials, so college applications, coordinating study trips, and also chaperoning on campus tours or college visits. They also may help the young people help to decide their career path, what they want to do, so they can coordinate their interests with an occupation that students may be interested in. Educational requirements. Actually, most of what I found is like you can have a bachelor's degree and then just have special training, but they did say that the more education you have, usually the higher pay scale that you would have as well. So I would encourage a master's degree, and then also they said supervised experience in the field during the degree program is also required by most school districts. Many public school systems do prefer that candidates have both counseling and educational certificates. So that may be something really important to look into as well. Starting salary, according to the U.S. Bureau of Statistics, like the lower end of the salary is about 31,000 ish, and they said that that's usually what the starting salary is. And so, but there was another starting salary that I found was at 56,000. So just a lot of it depends on where you live, and so starting salary could range from 30 to 56,000. It's kind of a big range, and then experience salary I found usually around like 66 to 80,000. Some of this miscellaneous information is kind of what we've been actually studying about the last couple of weeks. Is just about networking and how to get involved with national organizations and things like that. And so they really encourage you to get out there, become a part of a national organization so that you can start that networking, so that when you do graduate, you will have some of those resources and you can be able to get in to those jobs a lot more easily. It would just be easier to get into those jobs. That's all that I have for you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.